VenomousMango, and yes, I'm back. This video may not flow as well as the last one, because if you couldn't tell, the last one was scripted. I didn't have time to script this video, so you're going to have to deal with that. In this video, if you haven't been able to tell by the title, I will be teaching you how to use your Wacom drawing tablet. And I'll be teaching you how to plug it into your computer, how to set it up, and where you can get them and stuff for the cheapest deals. You may not be able to tell, but I'm not using my mouse right now. I'm currently using my tablet to draw in the things. So, let's get into where you can get them for the cheapest. You can see here, there are tons on Amazon. I forgot their name. Again, not scripted. You can get ones that are like £47. This is what I'd advise. This is what I have. I have one of those. I would advise you to get one of these before you end up going and getting one of these mental money ones, because you may not be that into it once you get it, so it's better to go for the cheap option before you go for the massive option. If we were to settle an average around here, it'd be around 60 to 70 for like a normal one, and then between 130 to 250 for a pro one. Okay, let's check out eBay. eBay isn't like a shop, it's more like an online shop if you get it. It's more like a customer's shop. So these are all people that have put up their used ones. Oh, actually, some shops use it apparently. You can get it at Argos and stuff like that. Oh, is that copyrighted? But, as you can see here, the small ones are around the same amount of money for the Amazon ones, but the thing is that you can't really be sure, because, not saying that China's unreliable, but when it's coming from China, they could have put any picture on this, and then you're paying, and it comes through like a dog crap. The average for the eBay one is around 55 to 60 to 80 here, but of course they're all put on by other eBay users and some shops, but the shops are obviously more trustworthy, but they'll cost more. And if you buy it from someone that's put it up, you're sort of taking a risk. It couldn't come through the way it was, especially if it was like this one. If it had 30 minutes left and it's because it's £40, nobody believes it. And that might be true, but when you see someone put up like a £1,000 thing for 20 quid, people don't believe it. This one plus postage comes to almost £30, and apparently it's a Wacom Bamboo Touch graphics tablet model, which is it's the best small one there is, and they're selling it for £30. I think that's a bit of a scam. I'm now on the Google shopping thing, and we're going to go up to 100 and see what ones there are. The Wacom Intuos from Amazon. Okay, this seems like that's a complete rip-off. You can get those on Amazon for £4. Yeah, so the average for this one seems to be the range is about £30, and the average is from 50 to 75, which isn't that good, to be fair. I would say that Amazon was the most reliable and the cheapest way of buying these things, because again, as I said, you should probably go for this one if you're new, or this one if you want, but this one seemed to be, I got that one, I've literally got it here right in front of me, so I can assure you that that one's legitimate. You have your Wacom tablet. Okay, well, now that you have your Wacom tablet, you're going to want to plug it in. It comes with instructions, but screw them. What you need is me, and my awesome drawings that I totally didn't copy off the internet. It should come in a little cool box that it's actually worth keeping, I guess. And it will have your charger and your tablet and your other stuff in it. So what you're going to do is, first you're going to make sure all the tabs on your computer are closed. Not this one though, wait until the end of the video. It's going to be epic. Now, you're going to want to make sure you're connected to the internet. This is just for the downloading the software part. And then you're going to want to plug in your USB cable that comes with it, plug it into your tablet, and then you should see a light comes on. You're going to want to open your DVD tray, or whatever you have, CD, DVD, it works for both. And you're going to put that in there, and that's going to launch up the installer of the software. And then it's going to come up with the starter website. The starter website, not worth using. It's just like, I can teach you everything. Subscribe to my channel. But this video, it's not even a video. It's like an installer. It runs you through what you're going to do. You're going to have to sign a terms of whatever the hell they are. The ones that nobody ever reads but still accepts to. And it allows them to, like, watch you while you sleep or whatever. Then it should take you to the website. And when it takes you to the website, it means that your thing's been installed correctly. By the way, these things in the background have all been made with a Wacom tablet. I wish I was this good. Then you're going to want to launch up GIMP or whatever other thing you use. This works on Illustrator, Photoshop. It works as your mouse, really. I mean, I can move my mouse with it now. I think it works on magnets because I'm not even touching it. But you can launch up whatever you use. I would suggest GIMP. It's a good starting out thing. It's completely free. I teach you how to install it in my last video on this channel. So be sure to go and watch that after this is done. But you're going to want to go on GIMP, create a new image, new 1920 by 1080. That's a landscape HD picture, which is always good. And now, if you've plugged it in and followed all my steps, you should be able to draw on your thing, which is on your thing. Oh my. I told you I should have scripted this video. But now, if you just give it a few whirls, show that it's working, you now have successfully installed your Wacom tablet. So, what you're going to want to do now, if you want a thing that can work, like, the harder you press it down, the harder the line goes, and the lighter you press it down, the lighter the line is, you're going to want to do this. You're going to want to click on this tool here, the paintbrush tool, but you're going to want to double click that. And then it should come up with this, tool options. You want to go on hardness 50. Then you should go down to your hardness between 3 and 5. I've gone for 4. Now, it should say somewhere down here, pressure opacity, or something like that. What you're going to want to do is press this symbol over here, and it will come up with all these things, but all of these don't work. So, what you're going to want to do, go to your, where is it? Views grid. There you go. Open the dynamic, and then press this one here, create a new dynamic. And then, you're going to want to name it pressure opacity. And size. This, I can't be bothered to explain this, but you're just going to want to tick these two boxes up in the corner, and then exit that, but I've already done this, so I'm going to just, yeah, and now you should have something like this, which is pressure, opacity, and size. Well, to begin with, you're going to want to type it in, if you've got the same version as me, pressure, opacity, and size. There you go. And now, when you come out, your line should look like this. So now that you've done that, you're basically ready to get started in GIMP. Don't think just because you have a Wacom tablet means you're going to be bloody Picasso or whatever. I don't even know if he drew anything. But you're just going to have to stay humble and not, like, rub it in people's faces, because, trust me, it's a lot more difficult to draw with these things than you think. I mean, I'm trying to draw a straight line. Yeah, it's just like drawing with a normal pencil, except it's like a chunkier one, and it's got buttons on it that annoy you sometimes, because one of them's like right click, I think. Right click. It right clicks when it wants to, and that really annoys me. But, if you found this video informative, or it just helped you in any way, be sure to give it a like. I have been the VenomousMango.